Hi, this is Miss Cat, and here's today's lesson on multiplying by 9 and 99 by adjusting. Thanks to Busy Ant Maths by Collins for parts of this PowerPoint presentation. So when we're talking about adjusting, we're using numbers that are easier to work with than the numbers that we've been given in the problem. In these cases, 9 is very close to 10, which is a really easy number to work with, and 99 we're going to consider as 100, which again is very easy to work with. After we've finished these easy multiplications, we're going to make simple adjustments using subtraction in order to find our answers. Let's look at some examples. We also need to remember that multiplying is the same as counting things in groups. So if we look at this example here, we've got 10 groups of 5 ants in each group. So our problem would look something like this. 10 groups of 5 ants, which is 10 times 5, and we all know, I'm sure, that that is 50. What happens when we take away one of these groups? Now we only have 9 groups of ants. But there are still 5 in each group. And how many ants did I take away? I took away 5. So I can use my number facts here, that I know my multiplication facts using the 10 times table to make this calculation. 9 groups of 5 ants is the same as 10 groups of 5 ants, 50, minus 5 ants, one group of ants, and that gives us the answer 45. And again, I'm sure that we all know in this case that 9 times 5 is 45. For simple multiplications, we don't really need to use this strategy, but sometimes things get a little bit more complicated. Let's have a look. In this case, we've got the question, 34 times 9. Now we could do this by long multiplication, that's definitely one strategy that we could use, but could we also do it in our heads? Let's think about if this question wasn't 9 and it was 10 instead. Look at my picture here. I've got 34 times 10, okay? 10 groups of 34 in each group. Here's that problem. 34 times 10, and we know that's 340. That's an easy question to work out. So what am I thinking about when I'm thinking about 34 times 9? Well, all I need to do is take away one of these groups. Let's see that happen. There it goes. Goodbye. So now I have 34 times 9. The next step in my problem then is to take away one group of 34, just like it happened in the example here. 340 minus 34, and that gives me 306. 34 times 9 is 306, an example of something that I could do in my head. Another even more complicated example now. What happens if I get 46 times 99? Again, look at my chart here. You can see I've got 46 here and 100 at the top. If we do 46 times 100 in our heads, we can very quickly come up with the answer 4,600. Now what do I need to do? Let's look at the example again. There we go. Disappearing is one group of 46. So now I need to do in my head 4,600 minus 46. And the answer to that is 4,554. So my answer to 46 times 99 is 4,554. All I'm doing each time is multiplying by 100 and then subtracting one group.